warm good morning to the honorable educators, teachers and my fellow friends. I am going to talk to you about gratitude. If you wake up this morning feeling happy and healthy, you're more blessed than a million who died last night. If you have food to eat, clothes to wear, and a house to live in, you're much better than those who do not possess this. If your parents are there to take care of you, you are very fortunate. If you can hold someone's hand, hug him, or even touch him on the shoulder, you're blessed because you have a friend. Showing gratitude, appreciation, or thankfulness is a positive attitude for the acknowledgement of a benefit that one has received or will receive. People who experience gratitude are happier, more helpful, and forgiving. Gratitude provides you the abundance of happiness that you desire and deserve in life. One basic attitude of life is one of claiming rights and shunning responsibilities. We have ceased to appreciate the blessings of life, such as health, the beauty of nature, human relationships, love. We often don't respond to them with gratitude. Gratitude is the key to happiness. We feel that life owes us the fulfillment of every desire, and if we do not receive this, we feel bitter and envious. Why should we be thankful? Gratitude makes you aware of the good things happening in your life. Gratefulness is the key to a happy life that we hold in our hands. If we are not grateful, then no matter how much we have, we will not be happy because we will always want to have something else, something more, something others have. Gratitude is the fairest blossom which springs from the soul. What if God decided to stop blessing us? If you have a bad day in school, be thankful. Appreciate that you have a school to attend to. Some children don't. If you think your hair is gray, be thankful. Think of the cancer patient who only wishes for hair. If you think your complexion is dark, be thankful. Think of the patient of the leukoderma who has white patches on their skin. When you have to help your parents at home, be thankful that you have parents to love. Some children don't. When you think everything in the world is terrible and you want to give up, think of the people who have been told they only have a certain amount of time to live. Even they don't want to give up. So, learn to be thankful for what you already have while you pursue all that you want. Albert Einstein once said, there are only two ways to live your life. One is as though nothing is a miracle. The other is as though everything is a miracle. Gratitude unlocks the fullness of life. It turns what we have into enough and more. It turns denial into acceptance, chaos to order, confusion to clarity. It can turn a meal into a feast, a house into a home, a stranger into a friend. Thank you for your time.